Welcome to the Accessing GovConnectIowa series. This tutorial will cover the Quick Pay process. Please note that the appearance of your pages in this tutorial may look different due to system updates. There are several non-logged-in functions you can complete. We discussed these in our Overview of Features and Functions tutorial. To make a payment, you can either click the option in the Features Services section or scroll down, or select the Make a Payment hyperlink within the Financial Services panel. I will click that hyperlink now. Here, you can choose your payment option. The left panel allows you to log in and make a payment. For more on these, view the Make a Payment and the Create Your Account tutorials. For this tutorial, we will use the Quick Pay panel and click Make a Quick Payment. You will be prompted to select a payment type. Your selection will determine how the payment will be applied. If you received a bill from the department, choose Pay a Bill. You will enter the letter ID located at the top of your bill and follow the additional prompts. Select Make a Return Payment if you submitted a return and chose Pay Later and need to pay the tax due on the return. If you are a monthly or semi-monthly filer and would like to make a deposit, choose Make a Deposit. Choose Make a Payment if you want to pay the balance on your account. This payment would be applied to the oldest tax period debt. Select taxpayers would choose to make an estimated payment to pay toward income tax they believe they will owe. Some may also need to choose Make a Federal Audit Estimate payment if they expect to owe Iowa tax due to a pending Internal Revenue Service audit. The final option is to pay inheritance tax, which should be selected when you need to pay inheritance tax. For this tutorial, I will select Make a Payment. Next, you will need to choose your account type for this payment by clicking the drop-down and making your selection. I will choose Sales for this example. Once your selection has been made, click Next to continue. Next, you will need to authenticate your account information. For our example of sales and use, I will need to enter a permit number and corresponding ID, which can be the e-file and pay BEN, the FIN, the Social Security number, or the IDR ID. The information must match to move forward. I will enter my information now, followed by clicking Next. You can then provide additional information to describe what you are making this payment for. All information you provide will help to correctly allocate your payment. I'll add a note, followed by clicking Next. You will then be prompted to select your payment option. There are two options available. You can pay with a bank account. It is recommended that you contact your bank ahead of payment to authorize payments originating from the Iowa Department of Revenue. You can also choose to pay by credit card. It is important to note that a service fee will be charged by the credit card processing vendor. This service fee is collected by the vendor, and it is not revenue to the Iowa Department of Revenue. Let's take a look at each, starting with bank account payment. Pay close attention to the banner that appears. The payment may take up to 5 business days to process. Penalty and interest may show while payments are being processed. The balance will adjust after the payment post to your account. If this is your first time using the bank account information you will be adding on the next screen, please know that you may see a test transaction on your account, which allows the department verify that the bank account details are correct. I am ready to continue and will click Next. You will start by adding and confirming your payment amount, date, account information, and bank account type. You can also save the bank account for future payments. I will add a payment of $10. I will leave the payment date, but you can make a future date payment up to 80 business days in advance. If you attempt to select a date beyond that threshold, you will receive an error message. Then simply enter the account information. I have completed this step already. I will now scroll down. Finally, you can add some additional billing information. The only required information is your name. The remaining information can assist the department with payment tracking. I will enter my name and then click Next. Be sure you read the information on the screen prior to confirming your submission. Once you are ready to continue, you will enter and confirm your email, followed by clicking Submit. I will do that now. Let's take a look at the credit card payment option. I've selected credit card and will now click Next. This screen shows a review panel displaying the entered amount along with the service fee and the completed total. Remember, this fee is collected by the vendor and is not revenue for the Iowa Department of Revenue. The second panel is where you will enter your credit card information. To enter your information, you will need to click the Enter Credit Card Information button, and then enter your information in the text fields, followed by clicking Authorize. You will then walk through just a few more confirmation screens to complete your payment. My card information has been entered and accepted. I will now click Next. Just like with the bank account payment, I simply need to enter and confirm my email, followed by clicking Submit. The confirmation screen will appear next. Print or write down your confirmation number for your records. For more videos and help on how to navigate GovConnectIowa, visit revenue.iowa.gov/GovConnectIowa and visit our YouTube page. Thanks for watching.